This is a wear test for Nude by Nature Radiant Loose Foundation in W5 Vanilla. Hello! Welcome to the last day of 12 Days of Foundation. I missed the opportunity to make a theme song for this series, but this is 12 of 12 foundation videos that I've done this month. Check out all the links down below if you are interested in more foundation reviews. So I'm gonna read up on this and introduce you to the foundation of the day. In this video, you'll see the application, how it wears throughout the day. I'll show the foundation under different lighting and photos, how it wears on my oily skin that is sometimes acne prone. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna let you know what my final thoughts are, so stay tuned until the end. Don't miss it. So basically this is a loose mineral foundation and it delivers sheer to full coverage with a satin radiant finish. I'm looking forward to this. This is the first powder foundation that I'm doing in this review series. It comes in 20 shades, retails for $32 Canadian, can be purchased at Shoppers Drug Mart or on their website. And the size of the product is 10 grams. Claims are it evens out the complexion, it covers redness and pigmentation, has skin nourishing ingredients, non-drying formula, controls oil and shine, fragrance-free, cruelty-free, and PETA-certified. For starters, I'm going back to the Elizabeth Arden Flawless Instant Perfecting Primer, and I'm going to be applying that to my left, your right. So I'm just gonna press that into the skin where I've got pores. Now, because this is a powder foundation, I'm actually gonna do my concealer first. So I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape again in the same shade I did last time. It'll be listed in the description box below because I don't really feel like putting liquid on top of powder. All right, I didn't want to put a really thick layer, but I definitely still see my dark circles. I'm sorry. It was a rough night. I'm actually coming down with a cold right now, so that's why I sound all like meh. Moving on to the foundation. It just looks like this. It's got one of those little, I forget what those are called, like a little sheet in there. I think I'm gonna start with this one just in case. I'm gonna swirl it in. Oh my God. Tap off excess. The instructions say to start with the middle of the face and work outwards, so I'll start on my non-primed side. There's like smoke going up, like from the dust, like dust streams or something. Okay. Just gonna buff this in. Can you see the difference? Oh my God, there's like a whiteness where my mustache is. I mean, I'm going to try again on this side, but maybe more of like a pressing motion. Oh. See that color. I mean, I definitely look different. I'm probably gonna go in for another round just cause I feel like I need more. Let's swirl in a me. Okay, I went in and did some more work with this one and kind of like did that like patting and like circular motion to see what it gave, and it did actually work a lot better at covering some spots, so there's an improvement there. I just find this more difficult to do than working with liquid foundation personally, or maybe it's just because I'm not used to this, but hopefully this will help tame my oils a bit because it's mineral powder, right? But I also, like, I'm not sure about the evenness. Like, I will still give it a shot and put on the rest of my makeup so that we can see what the results are later on. And yeah, so I look forward to showing you guys that. Right now, I'm gonna show you pictures without flash and with flash, and I'll also show you how it looks in natural light. And with the magic of YouTube, we will see each other very, very soon when I touch base with you in a few hours about how it wears. I'm so shiny right now, and I'm finally coming down with this cold that's been bogging me for the past 2 days. Like, I've had headaches and stuff and felt weird, and now I'm finally hit with the congestion. So it couldn't have come at a better time because I'm on my last day, and it would be the worst to have a cold and do 12 days of foundation because your nose leaks and you cry. Let's get into the foundation, shall we? It has been a grand total of 9 hours. It's presently 10:20 and I initially put this on at 1 p.m. Look at my forehead. I legit look like Looking Glass on Watchmen or something. This is ridiculous. So
formula controls oil and shine.
It's just, it looks so crazy in the viewfinder. At least you guys can't see yourself in my forehead right now. This is how much transfer there is. The good thing is that it's a powder mineral foundation, which means that you could probably carry this in your bag and top it up. Although it is a bit big to do that, I'd rather use translucent if I'm entirely honest. Since we're up close and personal, I might as well just show you briefly what the skin looks like. Obviously this little guy got exposed. I'm not gonna bash the foundation for that because I've been blowing my nose all day today. I didn't see a difference between the primed side and the unprimed side. Basically that was a pore filling primer here anyways, so no biggie. This to me on the viewfinder, man, it looks so natural. I mean, to be fair, my skin has really cleared up in the last little while because, you know, lady times were over and I started doing the skincare stuff. See what I mean? It doesn't look bad. It just, like, it looks natural. Doesn't offer up a whole bunch of coverage. Please don't look at my nostrils, oh my god. Also, doing close-ups while you're sick is so not fun. I think if you wanted to go for something that was a little bit more precise in coverage, you would have to go and do some like pre-coveration, like for the dark circles and for pimples, spot conceal. Either before or after you go in with the Radiant Loose Nude by Nature foundation. I do think it does look radiant actually. Considering it's powder, like, I mean, yeah, it doesn't look dry and gross and stuff. Although it's all in the name, right? But I did get very oily. And I'm not sure if it's because there was no translucent powder, but I thought that because this was a loose mineral powder that I would be fine. So now that we've gotten 12 foundations out of the way, the next video that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is much more personal because I feel like I need to sit down and do something that's more heart to heart, and it's going to be about debt. Major downer. It's gonna be going up on Boxing Day, and there's also going to be my new project pan going up on the 29th, and then I have another video going up on the 2nd. So I have quite a few videos pre-filmed already, and right now today it's December 20th. So the best part of this is that I get to disassemble all of this that's been happening in my room. So happy! Hopefully by the time those videos go up, I will have even more pre-filmed. Let me know what you thought of the foundation in the comments down below. Follow me on Instagram by Alexa Legs. I like to chat with you guys and do polls, ask you what you want to see from me. Merry Christmas if you celebrate. Happy New Year. Happy holidays. Happy whatever you celebrate. Happy time off. And I will see you right after Christmas. Bye guys.